Top 25 SAP P2P Interview Questions and Answers. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of SAP Procurement to Pay, P2P, one of the most essential modules for businesses managing purchasing and vendor processes. Whether you're preparing for your first SAP interview or aiming to sharpen your existing skills, this video is designed to help you master the most commonly asked P2P questions with powerful and concise answers. Make sure you watch until the end, because every question in this list carries insights that can significantly boost your confidence and performance. 1. What is the SAP P2P cycle? The SAP P2P cycle, also known as the procure-to-pay process, covers all activities from identifying a requirement to making the final payment to vendors. It begins with purchase requisition creation, followed by vendor selection, RFQ process, quotation comparison, and purchase order creation. Once the vendor delivers the goods or services, goods receipt is posted, followed by invoice verification. The cycle ends when the payment is processed through accounts payable. The P2P cycle ensures streamlined procurement operations, accurate financial postings, and controlled spending, promoting efficiency and compliance across an organization's purchasing and payment functions. 2. What is a purchase requisition in SAP? A purchase requisition in SAP is an internal document used to request the procurement of goods or services. It is usually created by departments when material shortages occur or services are required. The document contains essential information such as material details, quantity, delivery date, and purchasing group. Purchase requisitions can be generated manually or automatically through MRP. They serve as the starting point of the procurement process and must be approved before conversion into purchase orders. This ensures internal control and validates that only authorized purchasing demands proceed. 3. What is a purchase order in SAP? A purchase order, PO, in SAP is a legally binding document sent to vendors to request goods or services under agreed conditions. It contains details like material type, quantity, pricing, delivery terms, and payment terms. POs can be created manually or automatically from purchase requisitions. They serve as the foundation for subsequent procurement steps, including goods receipt and invoice verification. Purchase orders ensure accurate communication with vendors, helping prevent mismatches or disputes. SAP supports multiple PO types such as standard PO, subcontracting PO, consignment PO, and service PO. Proper PO creation ensures smooth procurement and financial integration. 4. What is the goods receipt process? Goods receipt, GR, is the process of confirming that materials or services ordered have been received by the organization. In SAP, goods receipt updates the inventory, triggers material document creation, and records financial postings. The GR process ensures that purchased materials are accurately counted, inspected, and stored. It also updates stock levels and allows the system to match the PO and invoice during verification. GR is essential for maintaining inventory accuracy and validating vendor performance. It also initiates the payment process by signaling that the vendor's delivery obligations are fulfilled. 5. What is invoice verification in SAP? Invoice verification is a crucial step in the P2P cycle where vendor invoices are checked for accuracy before payment. It ensures the invoice matches the purchase order and goods receipt in a three-way match. SAP performs automatic checks for quantity, price, and deliveries. Once validated, the invoice posts to accounts payable and updates financial records. Invoice verification helps detect discrepancies, prevents overbilling, and ensures compliance with procurement policies. It also triggers payment execution and maintains accurate financial reporting. 6. What is a source list in SAP? A source list in SAP is a master data tool used to define approved vendors for specific materials within a plant. It helps control which vendors can supply a material and can enforce procurement discipline when the source list requirement setting is activated. By maintaining source lists, organizations avoid unauthorized purchasing and ensure consistent supplier relationships. A source list can also define validity periods, preferred vendors, and conditions for automatic PO creation. It plays a critical role in material planning and procurement automation. Proper source list maintenance improves accuracy, reduces supply risks, and supports compliance-driven purchasing. 7. What is a release strategy in SAP P2P? A release strategy in SAP is a structured approval process applied to purchase requisitions or purchase orders. It ensures proper authorization before procurement moves forward. Release strategies can be based on factors such as material group, value limits, purchasing organization, or vendor. They define who must approve the document at each level, helping enforce organizational policies. Release codes are assigned to authorizers, and only after all approvals are complete can the document proceed. This helps control spending, maintain audit trails, and prevent unauthorized purchases. A release strategy strengthens governance and ensures procurement decisions align with company guidelines. 8. What is a service entry sheet? A service entry sheet, SES, is used in SAP to confirm that contracted services have been performed according to the purchase order. It is part of service procurement and acts like a goods receipt for services. The SES includes service descriptions, quantities, and values. Once approved, it triggers invoice verification and facilitates payment. SES ensures accurate validation of completed services, prevents overbilling, and maintains records for auditing. It also helps organizations manage service-based purchases with transparency. Like other procurement steps, SES contributes to controlled spending and ensures that services received match contractual terms. 9. What is the difference between contracts and scheduling agreements? Contracts are long-term purchasing agreements that outline general terms and conditions, but do not specify exact delivery dates. They function as reference documents for future procurement. Scheduling agreements, on the other hand, are more detailed and include planned delivery schedules within a fixed time frame. Scheduling agreements support just-in-time procurement by allowing regular, predefined deliveries. Contracts are useful for repeated purchasing of materials or services without fixed delivery commitments. Scheduling agreements streamline logistics by reducing manual PO creation. 10. What is a movement type in SAP? A movement type in SAP defines the type of material movement being performed, such as goods receipt, goods issue, transfer posting, or stock return. Examples include movement type 101 for goods receipt and 161 for return to vendor. Movement types determine how inventory quantities, stock values, and financial postings are updated. They control the allowed transactions, required fields, account determination, and document structure. Each movement type ensures accurate tracking of material flows within the organization. Understanding movement types is essential for handling warehouse activities, verifying stock levels, and ensuring accurate integration between logistics and financial processes. 11. What is the vendor master record? A vendor master record stores essential business information about suppliers in SAP. It consists of 3 segments: general data, company code data, and purchasing organization data. General data includes name, address, and contact details. Company code data covers payment terms and reconciliation accounts, while purchasing data includes order currency, Incoterms, and purchasing group. Vendor master records enable smooth communication, accurate procurement processing, and timely payments. They ensure consistency across transactions and reduce manual data entry errors. Proper maintenance of vendor master data supports compliance, improves procurement efficiency, and enhances overall supplier relationship management within SAP. 12. What are info records in SAP? Purchasing info records link material and vendor data, containing essential procurement details such as pricing, delivery terms, planned delivery time, and vendor-specific material descriptions. They serve as reference documents for purchase order creation, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Info records support multiple procurement types like standard, subcontracting, consignment, and pipeline. By maintaining info records, organizations ensure accurate sourcing and prevent manual data entry errors. They also facilitate pricing history tracking and help automate procurement processes. 13. What is a pricing procedure in SAP? A pricing procedure is a framework that determines how prices and conditions are calculated in purchase documents. It includes elements like base price, taxes, discounts, surcharges, and freight. The procedure uses condition types structured in a specific sequence to calculate the final procurement cost. Assignment of pricing procedures depends on vendor schema group, purchasing organization, and document type. Pricing procedures ensure transparency, accuracy, and consistency in procurement costing. They help organizations manage complex pricing scenarios and maintain compliance with purchasing policies. 14. What is a consignment process in SAP? In the consignment process, materials are stored at the company's premises but remain vendor-owned until consumed. SAP tracks these goods separately using consignment stock indicators. When the company withdraws the material for use, a consignment issue is posted, triggering liability to the vendor. No upfront payment is required, improving cash flow. Consignment info records help maintain price and vendor agreements. The process provides inventory flexibility, reduces storage costs, and strengthens supplier partnerships. SAP automates consumption-based settlement, ensuring accurate financial postings. 15. What is subcontracting in SAP P2P? Subcontracting occurs when a company sends raw materials to a vendor for processing into a finished product. In SAP, subcontracting POs list components provided to the vendor. When the finished material is received, a goods receipt is posted, and system automatically issues components to subcontracting consumption. Subcontracting ensures specialized production without internal capacity investment. Accurate BOM maintenance is essential for smooth processing. SAP supports multiple tracking layers, ensuring transparency of vendor operations. Subcontracting helps leverage external expertise, reduce workload, and maintains streamlined production flows while ensuring accurate accounting, inventory control, and procurement compliance. 16. What are the main tables used in SAP P2P? SAP P2P relies on several core tables: EKPO, PO item data; EKKO, PO header data; EKBE, PO history; EKET, scheduling agreement delivery schedules; MARA material master, MARC, plant data; EINA/EINE info records; and LFA1/LFB1, vendor master. These tables store essential transactional and master data supporting procurement operations. They help users extract reports, troubleshoot issues, and validate system behavior. Knowledge of these tables is critical for functional consultants and supports data integrity. Understanding P2P tables also facilitates integration with MM, FI, and logistics modules. 17. What is ME51N used for? ME51N is the SAP transaction code used to create purchase requisitions. It provides a structured screen layout with options to enter material details, delivery dates, account assignments, and purchasing group data. ME51N helps initiate procurement and ensures that purchasing needs are recorded accurately. The transaction supports manual and automatic PR creation and offers features like templates, favorites, and document copying for efficiency. ME51N is widely used across departments and plays a key role in budget control and planning. 18. What is the role of account assignment in SAP P2P? Account assignment determines where procurement costs will be charged, such as to a cost center, order, project, or asset. It ensures that expenses are correctly posted in financial accounting. Each account assignment category, such as K, cost center, or A, asset, requires specific data fields. Account assignment is essential for non-stock procurement, service purchases, and consumable materials. It ensures proper budgeting, cost control, and financial transparency. Without accurate account assignment, financial reporting could be incorrect. SAP integrates account assignment across PRs, POs, and invoice verification, ensuring consistent financial postings and streamlined cost allocation processes. 19. What is a three-way match? A three-way match is a control mechanism used in SAP to verify vendor invoices. It compares three documents: the purchase order, goods receipt, and vendor invoice. The system checks for consistency in quantity, price, delivery, and terms. If all values match within tolerance limits, the invoice posts automatically. This prevents overpayment, fraud, or duplicate billing. Three-way matching strengthens financial accuracy and ensures procurement integrity. It also enables automated payment processes and reduces manual intervention. The three-way match supports compliance, improves vendor relationships, and ensures accurate financial reporting in SAP P2P operations. 20. What are Incoterms in SAP? Incoterms are internationally recognized trade terms that define responsibilities between buyers and sellers regarding transportation, delivery, insurance, and risk. SAP uses Incoterms in purchase documents to specify conditions like who bears freight costs and where ownership transfers. Common Incoterms include FOB, CIF, and EXW. Accurate maintenance ensures clear communication with vendors and prevents disputes. Incoterms support logistics planning, customs handling, and price negotiations. In SAP P2P, Incoterms are stored in vendor master and defaulted into POs. 21. What is a blanket purchase order? A blanket purchase order is a long-term agreement allowing repetitive procurement of materials or services without specifying exact quantities or delivery dates. It is useful for ongoing, low-value, or recurring purchases. The PO contains validity dates and maximum limits, helping track spending against agreed budgets. Blanket POs streamline procurement by reducing repetitive approvals and paperwork. They improve vendor relationships through consistent buying patterns. SAP tracks consumption against the PO, ensuring budget control and transparency. 22. What is automatic PO creation? Automatic PO creation enables SAP to generate purchase orders automatically from purchase requisitions or other triggers, such as MRP. It helps reduce manual effort and ensures fast procurement. For automatic PO creation, material master, vendor master, and source lists must be maintained properly. This feature eliminates repetitive tasks and boosts system efficiency. It is widely used in high-volume procurement environments. Automation ensures accurate data transfer, minimizes human errors, and maintains consistent purchasing practices. Companies depend on this functionality to streamline supply chain operations and ensure timely material availability. 23. What are GR/IR accounts in SAP? GR/IR accounts serve as temporary clearing accounts in SAP to capture differences between goods receipt and invoice receipt. When goods are received, the GR/IR account is credited, and inventory is debited. When the invoice arrives, GR/IR is debited, and vendor liability is credited. This ensures that procurement postings happen even if goods and invoices do not arrive simultaneously. GR/IR accounts maintain financial accuracy and prevent reporting discrepancies. They help resolve mismatches and support period-end closing activities. Proper GR/IR management is vital for transparent financial reporting and efficient procurement operations. 24. What is a PO history? PO history records all transactions related to a purchase order, including goods receipts, invoice postings, returns, and delivery schedules. It provides a transparent view of the PO lifecycle and helps users track material flows, financial postings, and vendor performance. SAP updates PO history automatically whenever related documents are posted. It plays a crucial role in troubleshooting discrepancies, auditing procurement activities, and ensuring accurate reporting. PO history also helps identify delays, mismatches, or incomplete processes. It provides real-time visibility into procurement status and supports effective decision-making across supply chain operations. 25. What is the difference between stock and non-stock procurement? Stock procurement involves purchasing materials that enter inventory and are managed through stock levels. These materials require material master records and affect storage and inventory valuation. Non-stock procurement involves materials or services consumed immediately, such as office supplies or maintenance services. These items do not enter inventory and require account assignment categories. Stock procurement supports long-term planning and warehouse operations, while non-stock purchasing focuses on immediate consumption. Both processes support organizational needs but differ in accounting treatment, inventory impact, and procurement strategy within SAP P2P. Thanks for watching. I hope this detailed breakdown of the top 25 SAP P2P interview questions has boosted your confidence and helped solidify your understanding of the entire procurement process. Whether you're preparing for a job interview or simply strengthening your SAP skills, this guide will give you the clarity you need. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future content. Drop any questions in the comments. I'm here to help. See you in the next video.